Although the pump is very mini, its raw materials include plastic part, rubber parts, electronic parts, ceramic parts, graphite parts. It is not so simple for a part to be officially put into production. Topsflo's incoming material quality inspection mainly includes following for parts: appearance inspection, size inspection, actual assembly, performance testing. In the appearance inspection, the PCBA board needs to use an electron microscope to observe its welding quality. The key parts of the pump housing, the pump chamber, need to use a high-precision detector to detect whether the surface is smooth, whether there are burrs, etc. In the aspect of size inspection, the inspection of some parts abandons the conventional caliper measurement, which not only realizes batch inspection, but also is more accurate. After passing these two links, our quality inspectors will actually assemble the qualified products to further confirm the matching rate between the raw materials. Of course, high-quality water pumps are inseparable from the performance testing of raw materials. We have set up rotor dynamic balance testing to prevent rotor imbalance from affecting pump noise, pump housing water hammer testing to ensure the overall pressure-bearing capacity of the pump. In addition, there are also self-concentricity test, PCBA wide rate test, etc. Only by controlling every detail with high precision, a really high-quality pump can be achieved. That's the way to success with Topsflo pumps.